classrooms.
Exactly. They're so annoying. Quick, jump!
Do you hear something?
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought you were intruders.
Oh, it's only a cat. Who are you?
My name is Kylo Ren. What's the matter? Why are you so out of breath?
We have a problem with the humans.
I'll make them go away for free.
I'll do it.
Me too.
Come with me, young cats. I'll show you my ways. Here's your litter boxes.
Hey, you!
You'll get used to that.
Ooh, what's this donut for? Oh, guys, I don't think we should play with this.
If you don't, the humans will keep coming after you.
Okay, Kylo.
We're ready. Kylo, are you dead?
Kylo Ren, are you dead?
I think he might be.
I'm gonna use my last life to be good.
No!
My name is Kylo Ren. That's nice. If you will, they'll stop.